How to find your future reel settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your future reel settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and click these three lines here on the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy. Click on it and then you will see settings. Click and go down, click this one, posts, and here you will find who can see your future reels. Click on it and here you can manage anything you want and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.